I got this iCrimp. It's a PEX tool. I got it from Amazon and I have it for about 4 years now. I have never used it, so I'm gonna test it out and see how good it is. It's an iCrimp. It should work for 3/8 to 1" clamp. It says it right there. And then right here, it says turn 1 next to the red dot for clamping, turn 2 for cutting. And right now it's on 1. 1 is next to the red dot. So it should be ready for clamping right now. This is a PEX tube. It's 1/2 inch. It says it right there. 1/2 inch. I'm gonna cut it with this PVC pipe cutter. I don't have a PEX tube cutter, so I'm gonna use this. The way it works is I'll just squeeze it to release that clip, and then to release the blade, I'll just pull the handle apart. I'll just move this handle that direction. Check this out. It looks like the cut is very clean. The PEX tube, this elbow I'm gonna use in the clamp. I got these at Lowe's about 2 days ago. This PVC pipe cutter, I have it for a while now. I'm still in the process of learning this. So the PEX tube is 1/2 inch. I'm gonna assume the elbow should be 1/2 inch too. And it does say PEX on the package. 1/2 inch times 1/2 inch. So this should be 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. The clamp is also for PEX, and it is 1/2 inch. It's a pack of 10. If I was really working on something, this tube would probably be longer all the way out there. So it would be a good idea to put on the clamp, put the clamp on it, and then put the elbow on, slide the clamp back. Let me show you this again. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing the tube all the way. I think it should be good right now where the clamp is. It looks like the way it works is you gotta squeeze the handle all the way, and then it'll get released. Squeeze it all the way, and then you're gonna release automatically. There's this thing right here. I don't know what it's called. It's like a lever. So if you push that to the left, the handle gonna get released. So I guess if you decide you don't want to cinch all the way, you could release it like this. I'm gonna be using 2 hands on this. It looks good. It's on it tight. I'm not able to test if water will leak or not. That's the only thing I'm not able to do. I'm not gonna connect another tube on this other side of the elbow because I would just be doing the same thing. So here's what I'm gonna do. The locking clip, I'm gonna move it out and then this thing can move back and forth. So I'm gonna turn this to the number 2 and then push it in, lock it with the locking clip. It says there locking clip must be fully locked before using. It's locked right now. It's on number 2. It's next to the red dot. Turn 2 for cutting. So it's ready for cutting right now. I just noticed something. Let me show you. If I squeeze the handle all the way, it's not gonna automatically open. I gotta push that to the left. I guess that's how it is when it's on number 2. With number 1, when you push the handle all the way, it'll automatically open. But for number 2, that does not happen. I'm gonna use 2 hands. See if I could cut this. Am I doing this right? I might be doing it wrong. Maybe is it like this? Or like this? I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters. Actually, I'll cut it like this. You know something? After I cut that, the handle automatically open. Maybe I need to just squeeze it a little more. Yeah, it does automatically open. Let me show you again. So I was wrong. You squeeze it all the way, it doesn't open. But you gotta just squeeze it a little more. And then it will open. Let me see. Is it gonna be easy or difficult to remove the clamp? It would be a good idea to use a plier to if you're gonna remove the clamp, use a plier. You don't want to cut your finger, but just don't get crazy and damage the tube. This elbow is on it tight even though the clamp's been removed. I think the reason is because the PEX got squeezed so hard. I don't know if this part of the PEX tubing could be reused. I should be okay if I cut right here. I mean, I'm just gonna throw this tube away, but I'm saying if this was connected to a house, I don't know if this part could be reused because it's been squeezed so hard. Okay, I got it out. It doesn't look like there's any damage to the elbow. The reason it was so difficult to take it out of the tube, the elbow, is because the clamp squeezes so hard. And then I think there's like a indentation from the tube onto the elbow.